Alright guys, welcome back to K-Squared Outdoors. In today's video, we're going to be finishing up the shooting shack. We're going to be putting on most of the metal today. We've already cut it and measured it, but we didn't do that on video, but we've already measured it and done all that. So now we're going to be putting up most of it today, but whatever we don't get done today, we're going to be doing it tomorrow. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're done putting the metal on the top right there, but we're using like screws that we already had, so they're not like exactly perfect or anything, but it works. So we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of it. So now we're moving on to the side of it, but we decided not to show the whole screwing it in and everything because you guys probably don't need to see that, so the video's not super long. But now we're just gonna do basically what we just did, but on the side. Alright, we're gonna do the back now, but we're gonna do it off camera. Alright guys, so it's the next day now, and the first thing that we're going to be doing today is my dad's going to be finishing the metal on the door and everything, and I'm going to be painting it with this spray paint we just got at Walmart earlier, so stay tuned. Go.